What is going on, y'all? It is Real to Dev.
And
I'm really just taking this opportunity right now just to explore what that spatial computing concept is like and actually highlight like some day-to-day kind of tasks with it. So, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen right now. Don't mind the mess. Everything's kind of wherever it needs to be right now. But granted, this isn't as clear as using my eyesight. So I'm currently using the MetaQuest Pro, um, which has been my headset ever since I sold the Quest 2. I mean, with the announcement of the Apple Vision Pro and the Quest 3 as well, just feel like the headsets has definitely been a lot more lately, more than usual, and that's becoming back as a trending topic. But I mean, I guess in spirit of that, I've been trying to figure out just little things, little everyday things, or other reasons to just be able to put this headset on and actually get back to using it. I know there's a question about how to incorporate having a headset or what people would want to use it for, and I think having answers to those questions definitely helps with actually showcasing what some of that stuff might look like. Right now, as you can see, I got this YouTube video pulled up, and I've done this before when I was doing the folding laundry and actually having a video play at the same time. And I gotta say, it is quite nice because I can still see all the tools in my kitchen and know where everything is and, pay attention to what I'm doing. And I can still watch my YouTube videos. I think this is better.
it just feels.
It just feels better than just looking at a phone. I could have my phone set up somewhere on a corner, or there's plenty of ways to prop up a phone. So is this absolutely necessary? Of course not. But if you really are caught in some content, I can see not wanting to step out of that, and you're being able to come in and cook at time and be able to move this wherever you need to move it. So let's go ahead and do that with this right here. I'm going to pinch this together and I'm going to recenter. So now we got the full screen hologram hanging out over here now. So I wonder if I can just move this right here. And I can have this just going on while I'm in the kitchen at the same time, reaching and grabbing stuff. And honestly, it's
A pretty cool use case.
pretty much just like using your computer, but on your head while you're moving around.
I can just pinch, move my hand around, hold it, get a right click, pause the video. You can get to that, resume it.
Being able to adjust the volume and all that stuff might be too loud. This way it's better for my audio to come through. But as you can see, I got this video up right now.
Curious about what's happening with the
Z Flip 5 that's coming out from Samsung, and I am a Z Flip 4 user. That's my current phone right now. So seeing what's going on with that integration and evolution of the product line. But yeah, like I feel like if you're ever really immersed in the video, you're not trying to like really step out of paying a good amount of attention to something and still keep that same level of just being tuned in. I think this is a pretty cool way to do that, and a good way to just be able to get your breakfast going together because that's gonna take some time or whatever. you know, I just wanted to kind of just share that
But yeah, I'm looking forward to that bigger screen.
on the Z Flip 5, so that's why I got that video up. But yeah, I just wanted to share this moment with this headset. I think once the Apple Vision Pro comes out, there's going to be a lot more things people are going to be seeing and showing off, and I really think that camera quality be really interesting to play with. Yeah, as far as the headsets that are out now, like you can do this right now using this MetaQuest Pro, and the Quest 3 will be coming out in fall. So this is our headset future, y'all. y'all said y'all wanted holograms, right? Or was it just better than the shows?
But yeah, this is a use case that I wanted to show real quick. I think this can be quite convenient.
But that's just one video I I had going on. I think one thing that I might want to do.
Is just give a quick demonstration of me cooking, since that's what this video is all about. So yeah, I'm gonna just go gather a couple of my things. I got these English muffins right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and full screen that, skip that ad. Let's go ahead and get going. Shout out to MKBHD, by the way, one of the tech YouTube goats. Most of y'all are probably familiar with him or have at least seen a video from him. Makes great content.
Shit, I'm just grabbing everything.
Doing content creation, screen recording, cooking, and watching videos. Now, this really is a different level of trying to multitask. Now, talk about doing a lot, right?
And let's go ahead and get this one out too. Uh, these some eggs, okay. Jim, we'll hit that later.
So I'm just gonna have these eggs cooking up. Meantime, here, let me adjust this. That grid mesh you see here is actually the boundaries that you can set within a headset. So it's kind of just letting me know what my safe zone is and letting me know if I'm close to the bounds. So right now I'm just reaching out of it. As you can see, being this close to it, there's no issue with it having to pass through. You can just reach out. Let me just grab all this pork I have over here. Yeah, I'll just get this good old breakfast food going. Yeah, let's just lay that here. Shit, as you can see, yeah, it's really intuitive. I'm not really losing any quality of just getting this put together, especially just for. I'm just gonna have this started and set up, and then I'll let it cook. I'll disappear for a bit, but I'll pick it back up and get back to where we started. So we are back at it. Um, Here's how the progress of the cooking is coming along. So as you can see, things are going. Gotta move my bacon around. Got all this pork in here. So yeah, as you can see, it's not too crazy for me to just be pretty much accurate with where I'm moving, where I'm pointing, and then the side I could just kind of pop over and take a look at what's going on my screen on YouTube. And now I'm over here to the eggs. So I can even pause or adjust the volume. For those aren't familiar, it's a video of Bloodborne going on in here. And now I'm just skimming through it. I'm using my hands to pinch and move the slider around. But yeah, I mean, I guess between being immersed with the content on the side and still being attentive to the food that I got in front of me, I don't want to burn my breakfast. So be careful with distractions if you're doing this at home. I want to recommend this unless You just got that cooking sauce, you know. So one thing about these headsets is these pancake lenses, and I'm not gonna get into the weeds of what that all entails and why they're special, but
Pretty much, it's just a wider field of view, and also just the way to design this Quest Pro headset. Like your eyes naturally kind of blend in or come down. So like I can see a great amount of detail like with my regular eyes without looking through the headset. Like if I want to prop my head up or just look down with my eyes, and I
actually look below the visor like I'm using my natural vision.
think they have attachments and stuff for those who want to immerse fully and not have as much light come through. So they have light blockers and stuff as attachments. But I I think using this headset has been just fine for me without that. I mean, obviously the color is a big thing, which color pass through is now looking to be a standard thing going forward, as it should be. I mean, I feel like that's no one's trying to look through black and white cameras. Shout out to the Quest 2 though, because that whole run was awesome. But it's definitely going to be my favorite innovation of these headsets going forward. Just making them more realistic for mixed reality. But yeah, I'm not done cooking. I still got this going, and I mean, debating whether or not I really need to show y'all what it looks like when it's really done. I mean, y'all know what breakfast look like. But just want to show y'all that this is just another use case. This is possible, and I'm still over here enjoying YouTube videos. So, if you're someone who avidly watches YouTube, that's
Cool feature.
a quick thing you can kind of port over into a headset experience, and now while you're doing that, I will say it keeps you entertained for sure. And hey, I mean, if I'm in here cooking something and I wanted to find something, I could also just do that too. Just look up a little recipe. I'm not gonna do that
Right now.
So we got this bacon, and this bacon is looking good actually. This bacon is ready. So let's put that on this plate. Do a little bit more right here. But yeah, being able to shift right between these enjoying content and enjoying cooking, it's quite therapeutic. Let's go ahead now. We just let that go now. But yeah, that's all for this experience. Just wanted to show y'all what in the kitchen with this headset on, and I probably look crazy, but I ain't worried about looking crazy. There ain't no reason about that. Things are cool, and these are the future, huh? Spatial computing. But yeah, that's all I want to share for today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe on your way out. Thanks for coming in to check it out and see what's happening in these VR, this new headset spatial computing future that we got going on, heading into. Just wanted to give you guys just a look, and thanks for coming. I should do a video about upcoming videos. YouTube and VR, there's an actual like I'm using this YouTube in a browser. That's so I'm able to actually sit out here and cook and actually see all this other stuff. But there's an actual VR YouTube app that's honestly really amazing for viewing content in a headset. It's a very well designed app with a lot of potential. So I might have to do a video showcasing that what that looks like. But yeah, let me know what other things you guys might be interested in seeing in these headset spaces, and I'd be happy to highlight or shed some light on and talk about it and see what happens going forward. But yeah, you guys all have a great week. Okay, that's good. That's good. Shit, just want to say one thing. If you guys are doing this though and trying this out, be careful of not
Getting distracted.
You know how that is. If you in the kitchen cooking,
Not always a good recipe.